is Kendall, and everybody calls me Kenny. Kenny, come on. Come on, Kenny. I said I'm not Kenny, I'm Kendall. To do this trend, you need to have Capcut. Now open Capcut and go to New Project and add your photo from Gallery. Now select Format 916. Now you have to write your text. Write text like this followed by full stop at the end. You can directly type the text in Capcut. I have shown you here for example. Now after typing your text, go to text to speech and select the cute boy option and click on confirm and then wait for it to generate. Now delete the text layer and then apply the photo till the end of the audio and then check your video and export. Now go back to New Project again and add the same video. Now go to text and then click on auto caption. Now choose any caption style from here and click on confirm and wait for it to generate. Now click on style and choose style and font and then increase the size of the text according to you and then place. Now check your video and export and now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.